So my mom ran away. She just had to run away. She was scared. In fact, the camera is somewhere else. And she's just entering the room. I was like, everybody look, my mother, and then she is running away. Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Sweetness and it's been a while because I recorded a video and then I didn't record the outro and I didn't record certain parts I needed to make the video for you. So I couldn't post the video for you last week. No! I have a special video for you, and it's because a special person is going to do a voiceover. And if you are watching this video, probably you could guess who is going to do the voiceover. Probably his idea about makeup is so shallow. Who is calling me? I'm leaving you with bjay, and then he'll give you all the gist. Wait. Please do not forget to subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please join the family. And I love you so much, okay? I love you all, my notification guns, and I love you.
Okay, so now we have the serum she's going to apply to her face, looking all fresh and ready. So she applies it to her forehead, both cheeks, and her chin, rubbing it gently on her skin. Now she wants to pamper her palms with the palm cream, making it fresh and ready. Beautiful dance. Now she's using the primer on her face and then the foundation afterwards. And then she's going to use the concealer, which she's going to use to highlight her face. And then she's going to apply it on the top part of her lip, gently on her chin, and on the bridge of her nose, rubbing it gently on her forehead as well. And then she's going to use the blender to spread or gently blend, making sure it's all even. And then she's going to use the face powder to make sure the concealer looks even. All powdered up and looking pretty. And then she's going to contour her face. So now she's contouring her face. Now she's contouring her nose just to make it a bit narrow. Her eyelids, everything looking nice. Looking good. Yes, so now she's using the eyeliner. Her eyes come out really popping and beautiful. There we have it. That's the mascara. Looking good, my baby. Wow. Yes, so now she's stretching out her eyelashes. Look at those eyes. Wow. That kiss is meant for me. I'll take it later. Looking sensual, my girl. Now she's going to line up her lips with the lip liner, making sure her lip pops out. You know, she has that Angelina Jolie lips. Those fat lips I love so much. Yes, I said it. Now for my favorite, the red lipstick. Whoa. Looking lovely, my baby. Look at that. So now she's going to use the spray. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked the video, do drop a like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to press the notification button to stay updated on all our videos. Thank you so much, and I'm out. Sheesh, tired.